In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notify Me when back in stock in Shopify. This is perfect if you want shoppers to subscribe for alerts on sold-out products so you can recover sales the moment inventory returns. Start by signing in to your Shopify Admin. From the main dashboard, head to the Home view to make sure you can see the standard sidebar. In that sidebar, open Apps. This is where you can find tools you've already installed and discover new ones from the Shopify App Store. In the Apps area, use the search field to look up a back-in-stock notifier. Type a keyword like Notify or Back in Stock. Then select the result named Notify Me TM. Clicking that result will take you to its Shopify App Store listing, which appears as Notify Back in Stock Pre-order. On the listing page, take a moment to skim the overview, features, and pricing so you know what the app offers and what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click the button to add or install the app. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin to review permissions. This screen outlines exactly what the app will access to place a notification button on your product pages and send alerts to customers. If everything looks good, confirm by clicking Install. It's normal to see a second confirmation screen in some cases. Go ahead and install again to proceed. After installation, the app will open and show a quick setup prompt that says something like, "Let's set up Notify, back in stock. Pre-order, it would take under 1 minute." Click that to launch the guided setup. If you see the prompt again, simply continue. Some stores will see a brief 2-step confirmation before the wizard starts. Follow the on-screen instructions to let the app connect with your products and theme, so it can display a Notify Me button whenever a variant is out of stock. During the setup, keep an eye out for any requests to enable theme access or embed the app block. Approving this allows the button to appear automatically without manual code edits. Most stores can complete this in under a minute, and the app will place the opt-in field on sold-out product pages right away. That's it. You went from the Shopify admin into Apps, searched for the notifier, opened the Notify Back in Stock pre-order listing, installed it, confirmed permissions, and launched the quick setup so customers can subscribe to restock alerts. With this in place, you'll capture demand while items are unavailable and convert those shoppers the moment inventory returns.